everyone. Ate Zai, ano na? I miss you, ate. So I just got finished my lunch, guys. My apa tu lunch in Bahasa. I forgot. Yeah, siyang. So now I'm driving going to my doctor because I have scheduled today. Supposedly I have two schedules, my dentist, my gigi cleaning, and my aesthetic doctor. So now I'm driving. I said I'm gonna do live because I miss you guys so much. I miss you guys so much. Yeah, so how is everybody? Did you guys makan already? Makan jagung, enak ya hari ya, enak ya jagung. My favorite susu jagung with keju ya. Ya enak. And I miss nasi padang because the nasi rendang, the rendang that I bring from Indonesia to Philippines. So I'm driving. So can you guys hear me? Can you guys see me? Can you guys dengar may suara? May suara. Because it says here that I have poor connection. So sorry guys. Mami Stella. Mami Stella, how are you? Apa kabar ya? I'm baik. Yeah, baik. Hope you guys, you too are baik too. Good too. Yeah. So yeah guys, I cannot read all your comments nanti because my mata is on the road. If my mata is here, oh my god, so accident. I'm still trying to, to speak. Apa to speak in Bahasa? I forgot. Ako lupa. Yeah. Ako mo pergi to my doctor. Pergi is go, right? Go. Ako pergi. Hi, Kuya Drew. I miss Fia. Kuya Drew. Until, I don't know, because besok ya guys, ako muikot, pergi to my province, to my village. So besok early pagi flight, jam 7, go to my province. My family, my mama, ibu and papa are there, and my kaka, sister, yeah. So because I have to visit them and visit my village too, yeah. It's raining here guys, it's raining. It's hujan every day. Apa to every day? Hujan every day. So guys, guys. Guys, please don't forget to follow my, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I will start vlogging again on my YouTube channel. So guys, you follow me, you subscribe on my YouTube channel, yeah. Terima kasih. Berapa tu? So, I'm almost there, guys. Kuya Drew, makita naman tayo. Kuya Drew, libre mo ko. Ng pagkain niya. Pero wag naman yung masyado marami kasi nagda-diet ako. I'm doing great, guys. Assalamualaikum. Walaikum assalam. So, I'm now here at my doctor. I'm just gonna park my mobile outside. Oh, di sini. Ini. Ada parking. Hi, kuya. Park. Kumusta? Kumusta? Okay, go. Okay, go. Okay, guys. Nanti, I'll focus on parking, because I don't want Blacky wants to mati. So yeah, I'm now here at Toledo Med. My aesthetic sponsor here in the Philippines is Toledo Med, guys. Doc Toledo is really good doctor. He make my skin like this. Mau-focus ka dapat ako. Naliri. Apa to? Kumana to my doctor. Yeah. Okay, guys. I'll show you around. I'll tour you around here at my doctor. Okay? But before that, let's go parfum because I don't want bawo. Because I eat a while ago. So, now let's go inside. Okay? Go. Okay, go. So, here, guys. I'll show you. This is the clinic. Hi, kuya. Oh, yeah. Oh, who's that? Oh, who's ini? Oh, guys, this is me before. The color of my rambut is, is puti and will look different. Oh, hi. Oh, okay, go, Kerking. Okay, guys, so this is the clinic of my doctor. This is his awards of all the aesthetic and Ultera. So this is, oh, it's Christmas. Hi, Kenneth. Hi,
Ocean fans, hello.
So I'm here, guys. Oh, yeah. So nanti aku wash my muka, and then nanti I go live again. Yeah. So yeah, I'm here. I'm just waiting for Dr. Ledo to come. Warna apa tuh? So, oh, it's Christmas here, Kenneth. Oof.
Yes,
Oh,
it's Christmas.
you're so fresh, hello. You're so fresh. Hindi pa ako makapag-buelo kasi alam. So, yeah, guys, nanti ako wash my muka first. Apa to warna? Warna is a color. Oh, my favorite color is black, hitam, puti, and gray. Yeah. So, this is me before. So, gandut, yeah. Gandut. So, nanti, I'm at my doctor. So, I'll see you again. And I'll do live again nanti. I'll just wash my muka. Yeah, udah, dah.